Today we have a program I call Cooking with Friends. It's a program with a partnership with Kentucky Refugee Ministries, and we are cooking with people from all over the world. They're coming from situations that are not great. Most of them are coming from countries that are war-torn or they are being persecuted. So I want them to feel happy here. I want them to feel like Extension's welcoming, first of all. So that's my main goal, is for them to, one, feel comfortable coming to our office for us to help them, and to learn some skills that'll help them in their new apartment, or when they get a job here, if things that can help them that way. So I think our biggest impact is just getting them comfortable being here, and also getting some of those cooking skills that they can use here, and getting comfortable with their Kroger or their grocery stores, and finding those things. Like today, when they were sitting this morning down after the food, they were so excited, and they were like, this is so, they'll tell you it's good. They've got a few words and they're like, thank you, and they've been so sweet and appreciative. So that makes me feel good, because I want them to be I want them to thrive. Like, that's what we want for most humans, right?
I was really excited to be able to help an occupational therapist do work in this community. And so we just kind of started talking about what the research project might look like and what Extension could do to help kind of facilitate that and support it as it happened here. And we ended up planning the 6-week adaptive sewing series, and it went so well, we did another one and already planning another event. So that's kind of how that got started.
The clients are so happy with the class and what they can make, and how they can go home after every session and say, this is what I made, and they can show it off, they can take pictures, they can tell their family what they made. So it has been extremely successful for the clients, because it's individual. It meets them at wherever they want and whatever they want to do. The clients all talk about how satisfying they found this, and that they can be competent and again can contribute to their community and their family is something that they don't experience very often. So the study is to help my students learn, but also to benefit the community.
I think one of the most impactful things was just to see the joy that the participants had at being able to make something on their own. And I know that feeling anytime I have made something that's useful, that kind of sense of pride you feel of being able to, hey, I made this thing that serves a purpose and is functional. And so just seeing that, the pride and the confidence that they had at the end of the series was really cool. And just the social connections of them exchanging numbers and wanting to still hang out and be part of each other's lives. And then also seeing clients from the series at other programs.